I don't know, I got 5 days to see if I want to keep it or not. Right now I'm on the fence. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, you notice Bronco's not in here. I went up to the city and found the only abrasive blaster they had, I guess, in the state, it seems like. But it's a Harbor Freight special. It's been used and returned. It's missing the hood and the funnel. I got a funnel and I got a mask and glasses, so I think we'll be all right. So I got a discounted price, which is nice. I'm thinking the people that had it may not known how to use it. It's well, I'll turn you around and see if you can find out what's wrong with it right off the bat. There it is. Do you see something wrong? For one thing, these are on backwards, and we're missing a screw. I mean, it looks like they used baking or soda, that's what we're gonna try to use at first. Just kind of get all the paint off of it. See, where it goes way out there, and we'll try to use that, get all the paint off, and then I got some glass beads over there, and we'll use that to try to get down the really rusty parts. Hopefully this thing works. Haven't tried it yet, but we'll extend the hose out there. I think my compressor hose will go that far, and we'll try it out. But that's all I'm going to be doing today. Don't got much time out there, so we'll get as much as we can done. Hopefully we can get it all done and spray it down and bring it back in there, let it dry off, and clean it and paint it next time. But it's looking iffy. Let's get this out there, everything hooked up, and we'll start trying it out. here's the mess we made. Hopefully the wife won't be too upset. But it worked okay. Kind of got down in there. I don't know, it needs an agitator at the bottom. Just keep moving it to keep all the media to go down the funnel or the hose, and it works fine. Don't know if you saw me kick it about 5 million times, but if it had that, it'd be a pretty good little unit, I would think. Tried to get down there, and I kind of did, kind of didn't. Didn't even try to come over here yet. I got some in here. I got that line going right through there. Here's Mr. Boyd. But it's getting dark. It really did good right there. Guess we should could do that all over. I don't know, I got 5 days to see if I want to keep it or not. Right now I'm on the fence. If I could build something that sticks to it and just kind of shakes it, I'd probably keep it. Maybe there's something better than this. I just need to take it back. I don't know. Give me your thoughts on it. Would you work with this or take it back and try to get something different that may work better but cost a little bit more? This only cost me like I think it was 120 bucks. It kind of worked when the media to go through it, and I plan on blasting the frame and everything else, so yeah, let me know your thoughts on it. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, we tried sandblast. First time I've ever done it. Don't know if I was doing it right. If you have any tips or tricks to get that thing working better, let me know. I got 5 days, so I appreciate comments, emails, what you would do. Would you keep it or would you take it back and get your money back? I'm on the fence right now. It works, but it just needs something to agitate the media. Because I guess the media gets all funneled down, it gets locked in place, and once you kick it, it flows through a little bit. But next time, may try it again. I'm not sure if the wife will let me out there. Made a pretty big mess. But we may continue sanding all the flat parts down that we can get to. Then maybe just using that to get the really hard to reach places is what I'm thinking about doing now if I keep it. But anyways, do find bolts so we can put the straight six over here. If I'm doing it right here somewhere on the engine stand, and get that ready. And two, if we may push the Bronco out, may clean up that steering rack, the cross member and everything right through there, and kind of go over what we need to make and get ready to put the engine in. Might do that. I'm not sure if it's going to be international Bronco, but I want to say thank you to all the new people that subscribe. It does mean a lot. I'm doing a 500 subscriber challenge by the end of March. If I get 500 subscribers total, then I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate on camera here in the garage. And we're at 476, I think, right now. So it's doable. I think we can do it. Until then, we'll just keep grinding on with the international Bronco. Hopefully, we can get the international going soon. And really wanting to paint the engine compartment of the Bronco and get that done. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.